Introducing the Victory 9-seater passenger van, your ultimate solution for staff transportation needs. This stylish van measures 2.20 meters in length, 1.3 meters in width, and 1.3 meters in height, making it the perfect blend of compactness and spaciousness. Packed with advanced features such as traction control, auto steering control, dual airbags, and power windows, the Victory van ensures a safe and smooth ride every time. Experience ultimate comfort with centralized air conditioning that keeps the entire van cool, and an intuitive LCD touchscreen for all your media and navigation needs. Designed with spacious interiors and seating for up to 9 passengers, the Victory van offers ample legroom and headroom, ensuring everyone travels in comfort. The centralized back AC provides consistent cooling for passengers seated in the rear, ensuring a comfortable journey for all. Ideal for cleaning companies, office staff, and more, this commercial vehicle guarantees spacious and comfortable rides for everyone. Say goodbye to cramped journeys and hello to endless memories on the road.
Victory, the smart choice for your business.